Hello, Knollwood Intermediate Band. It's Mr. Pettinelli. I still have my tie on. This is the lesson after the tie. And just to review, a tie is a curved line that connects two notes and makes two of the same notes and makes them one big note. So this tie in Alouette number 60 is 3 beats. If you can see it right there. It's 3 beats because the half note gets 2 beats. 1, 2, and then you have an F half note and it's tied to an F quarter note. So the quarter note is beat, so that's 3 beats. All right. Now, I just wanted to review that. So that's 3 beats because you have a half note tied to a quarter note. 2 plus 1 equals 3. Now there is a note in music that does get 3 beats. You learned it in flutophones. We've talked about it in band. It's a dotted half note. A dotted half note. It's a half note with a dot after it. Gets 3 beats. Okay? So today's lesson is dotted half note. Why does a dotted half note get 3 beats? Why? What does the dot do? Okay, to make this very simple, a dot after any note, a dot after a note adds half the value of the note. A dot after the note adds half the value of the note. So for example, it's a dotted half note. So how many beats does a half note get? Half note gets 2 beats. What's half of 2? 1. So you add 2 beats, you add another beat, and that's how it gets 3 beats. So the dotted half note is the same as a half note tied to a quarter note. Remember I just showed you up here a half note tied to a quarter note? So that's what it is. So a dot after a note adds half the value of the note. So for example, this is an extra credit question. What if you had a dotted whole note? Dotted whole note. Well, let's figure it out. Whole note gets how many beats? 4 beats. Good answer. I hear you through the internets, the Wi-Fi's, whatever you call that stuff. Plus, okay, so half of the whole note. What's half of 4? 2. So if you get 4 plus 2, you get 6 beats. So a dotted whole note gets 6 beats. Hopefully that makes sense to you. Okay, so let's move on. So Alouette is our first song with a dotted half note. So if you look here, it's 4 times, 4 beats per measure. You count 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you have a half note counted 1, 2. Now this is the 2 quarter notes tied together. Remember that gets 2 beats. So it's 3, 4. It's just the same as a half note. Okay, so I'm going to play this song for you so you can do this first sticker. I'm going to start right here. Alouette, number 61 on page 14, I believe, in the book. Yes. 2, 3, 4. Right here. I added the little tag at the end. Hope you like that. Just thought I could. So once again, a dotted half note receives 3 beats. Why? Because the dot after any note adds half the value of the note. Yeah, so you're getting this. Okay, so that's why it's 3 beats. Okay, thank you very much.